You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk pads used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Open the brake fluid reservoir. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels. To change the brake pads on your vehicle, you'll need to remove the wheels to gain full access. Lift the front of the vehicle. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. Don't forget to slide the wheels under the vehicle. Turn the disc outwards. This will facilitate the process. Insert a flathead screwdriver to the outer extremity of the oblong hole located on the front of the brake caliper. Lift it off using the screwdriver as a lever by pulling it towards you. This will then push the piston in. Don't hesitate to push the screwdriver further in once the space between the pad and the caliper allows. Ensure that you have pushed the piston in as far as possible before carrying out the next operation. Using a thin flathead screwdriver, remove the caps covering the slide pins. Loosen the brake caliper. Using a socket wrench, a socket bit and a 7mm Allen bit undo the two slide pins. Tip: attach a piece of electrical cable or a piece of string to one of the coils on the suspension spring. Remove the brake caliper and then unclip each of the pads to remove them. To avoid damaging the brake hose, attach it to the suspension using the cable you've already attached. Using a wire brush, clean the brake caliper mount around the area where the pads will be placed. This will facilitate their installation. Take the caliper. Remove the two slide pins from their slots. Clean the slide pin holes with paper towels and steel wool or fine sandpaper to remove any pad dust residue and oxidation which could prevent the slide pins from sliding once new pads have been installed. Put the slide pins back in place without greasing them, as the bushings are self-lubricating. Greasing them may allow dust to accumulate there. In the event of severe wear, it is recommended to replace the slide pins and protective rubbers with new ones.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the parts for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new brake pads. Coat the end of the new pads with copper grease. Insert the new pads into the caliper. Put the brake caliper back in place and screw in the slide pins. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Put the caps back in place. Don't forget to withdraw the electric cable or string that you attached to hold the caliper. You can now repeat the operation on the other side. Put the wheels of your vehicle back on and lower it to the ground. Before starting your car, don't forget to screw the brake fluid stopper back in. Be careful. Before using your vehicle again, start your car and pump the brake pedal a few times to bring the brake pads together again. Try to drive smoothly and avoid sudden braking for the first 50 kilometers or so to avoid glazing the new pads. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.